Maseo Smith here. Just wanted to put you guys on to something that I'm going to be doing here. I'm going to be offering some free information to entrepreneurs or people who are interested in understanding how to start a business, to build a website, to legally get your business registered, to get your EIN number, which is like a social security number for your business, so that you can begin to build and start something of your own, man. I know a lot of people have been working for someone their whole life, which is cool because, let's face it, even if you have a business, you need people who want to work, and that's okay. But I want to also just share this information so that you have it, maybe not right now, maybe you don't want to start your business right now, but maybe sometime in the future, that's something that you would like to do. So I'm going to be providing information on my Facebook page, which is Maseo Smith, or you can go to the website, maseosmith.com. If you don't seek out the information you need to be successful, you'll never find success. You'll never find that next level of your life that you really want to get to without doing some work. You have to do some work. You have to do something. So start today. Do something today, and I'm going to help you out. I'm going to try to post at least every other day some helpful information that will help you get your business started and kind of push you in the right direction. Feel free to ask questions. Feel free to engage. Feel free to share the content. Do what you want to do. I'm just here to help. Maseo Smith. Talk to you guys later.